Lok Sabha election battle when it comes to the key seat of, this is the hot seat of Bhubaneswar. It's going to be a three-way contest with the BJP fighting the BJD, fighting the Congress on the key Odisha seat. Can the BJP dent the popularity of the BJD is the big question. My colleague Ratnadeep gets us this ground report.
It is going to be a no-hold-bar political battle between the ruling Biju Janata Dal, which is in power for 25 long years, and the main opposition, the BJP. In fact, there had been a high-pitched campaign, particularly by the BJP here in Bhubaneswar and in other parts of the state. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had led the BJP campaign targeting directly Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, who is eyeing a 6th state term as Chief Minister. In fact, we are outside the iconic Kesari Cinema Hall, Kesari Talkies of Bhubaneswar, very famous, and we are here in trying to talk to people in a tea stall. There are a lot of people today in this tea stall. We'd like to talk to some of them. Bhai Sahab, namaste. नमस्ते, क्या नाम है आपका?
बुद्धदेव दास।
बुद्धदेव जी, आज
रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉय।
आप अगर उड़ीसा की बात करें तो उड़ीसा की जनता इस बार चुनाव में क्या क्या मुद्दे जनता के लिए हैं?
उड़ीसा का मुद्दा क्या बेसिकली है, माने उड़ीसा का मुद्दा रादर देन आई कैन टेल अबाउट भुवनेश्वर।
या यू प्लीज टेल।
भुवनेश्वर का क्या है, हम लोग रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉय है। We are actually using the Kalinga Stadium for a general purpose morning walk we are doing. But government has stopped that one. So all the Bhubaneswar citizens are suffering from that. Only some few that like Pandian and etc. Senior peoples, they are only allowed entitled and they are going. And the rich people like you say Big South, they are doing they are going only. But we are general people, we can't go. We are going, obviously we are going either to the forest park or to the, but that we have been prevented from since 2-3 years. So it is not a way what the Naveen Patnaik government is telling development. Development, what the development? Development, you will do a hockey stadium, etc. But by ignoring the local people. That is what I see. The government is actually neglecting the local people and only for their vendetta. Even if you talk of Puri Parikrama. Puri Parikrama, if you be a practical man, you can know what the trouble we are facing. Myself, I am telling, previously same audience were there. We can going easily and coming out easily. But now you will have to go for 1 hour, half an hour with the rush. Again stop, again a half an hour. Again these types of dishes. I don't know who was doing all this administration. Such a poorest administration ever we can see in India. Because we are also 50-60 years now. I am also bringing my Puri. This type of horrible thing was never happened. They are telling Parikama is a very good thing, but it is a worst thing I can tell.
क्या आप कहना चाहते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं पे एंटी इनकम्बेंसी अब देखने को मिल रही है?
एंटी इनकम्बेंसी तो एक्चुअली है कि नहीं है कहना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि बीजेपी also facing some anti-incumbency by the central level and state level also they are also facing anti-incumbency. But the thing is that we are now not yet decided to whom, particularly in my case I can tell, whom to vote. We'll just wait and watch for an again.
Wait and watch. भाई साहब आपसे बात करते हैं। अच्छा ये बात करेंगे। आप बात कीजिए। क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम विभास।
अच्छा विभास जी, भुवनेश्वर शहर को एक ईस्टर्न इंडिया का एक डेस्टिनेशन के रूप में प्रोजेक्ट किया गया है। 25 साल का शासन रहा है। इस बार आपने देखा होगा जो कैंपेन रहा है, बीजेपी ने एक मुद्दा उठाया है उड़िया अस्मिता की बात। क्या वो ग्राउंड लेवल पे लोगों के बीच वो बात चल रही है?
नहीं, उसमें कुछ नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, लैंग्वेज ठीक है।
और क्या है मुद्दा फिर लोगों का?
भुवनेश्वर का
या फिर पूरे उड़ीसा की बात करें? अगर साउदर्न उड़ीसा जो कि
पूरा उड़ीसा का बस बेरोजगारी है प्लस वो महंगाई है, बस इन जनरल।
और कैसा लग रहा है इस बार फाइट कैसी रहेगी? जो पॉलिटिकल फाइट है बीजेपी और बीजेपी।
फाइट थोड़ा टफ है बोथ के लिए, इवन कांग्रेस भी है, तीनों पार्टी के लिए टफ है।
Okay.
It all depends upon how the people will react to it finally.
The mood of the voters in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, the capital, clearly signaling that people have also noticed that the BJD and the BJP had tried their best to woo the voters and turn it into a direct fight between the two parties who were allies at one point of time. In Bhubaneswar, with cameraman Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.